you ever thought that Facebook is a dead platform, then you need to think again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoluwa, and on this channel I teach you how to leverage digital tools, skills, platforms so you succeed in the digital economy. I deliver valuable content every week, so you want to hit the subscribe button or the notification bell to know when each content is uploaded on this channel. Today guys, we are looking at Facebook ads for beginners. A business owner, Facebook is one of the best platforms for you to reach millions and millions of audience. For Facebook has a total number of 2 billion plus active users on the platform, and also there are so many other benefits that Facebook has to your business. Facebook is very affordable for your business advertising as a startup. Facebook also has tailored marketing, very niche targeting such as interest targeting, behavioral targeting the right people that need your products or your services. For me personally, I consider myself as an expert of Facebook advertising, but I have done Facebook advertising and I know that starting off was quite cumbersome for me, understanding the platform and knowing what each of the terms on the platform mean. So today guys, we are going to simplify the Facebook ad platform. We are going to be understanding what different parts of this platform means for us and for our advertising, and how we can leverage it to get the best results for our business. Let's get into the video guys. Guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. Once you go to adsmanager.facebook.com, you're going to come to a dashboard that looks just like this. And on this dashboard, you can see different metrics showing. This is the first thing that I want you to take note of. All of these metrics are what is going to determine how you measure the success of your advertising. So guys, you want to make sure that these metrics that are up here reflect exactly what you need to measure the objectives of your ad. Now, for you to customize these metrics again, you go to this place that says column performance. Now, once you come to column performance, you will come down to where it says customize column. Now, when you get to customize column, you can go ahead and uncheck all of these parts, so you have a fresh template to work with. Now you come to this part that says for performance, and you begin to check different metrics that you think will be important for the objective of your ad. So first, I'm looking at reach. Also, Meta has made it easy for you to know what each of these metrics mean. You can read through it and see if that metric is something you need to measure the performance of your ad. You can also see impressions, you can see clicks, you can see CPC, you can see CTR. You can also do quality ranking to know how you measure the quality of your engagement rate and conversion compared to that of your competitor. You can go and do CPM as well. At this point, you're just going through and looking at all of the metrics and the one that is important for your ad. Once you're done, you save as a preset and you have to name it. I advise that you name it. You can name it based on the ad objective or the name of the campaign, so you easily find it another time. Once you're done, you apply. The other part of this dashboard that I want you to take note of are these three parts: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So see them like a layer, see them like a funnel. The first part is the campaign level, the second part is the ad set level, and the third part is the ads level. So just for like a brief explanation, for the campaign level, let's say that's where your idea starts from. That's where you pick the objective of your campaign. That's where you begin to think of more of the idea of this campaign. Why are you doing this campaign? What are the objectives that you're trying to achieve here? What are the needs that you need for your business? This is where you think about that. Then up next is the ad set level. Now, once you're done with the idea stage, you then begin to look at the audience. Who are the kind of people you want to reach? Where are they? Which country do they reside? What's their demography? What is their interest? You can do some more, detailed targeting, their interest, their behavior. You can also do that here. Then down to the last part of the funnel is the ads level. This is where you create your ad assets, where you do your creatives, the video, where you choose the kind of format, the way you want to tell the story of the product or the service. This is where you pick it at the ads level. So let's take a look at how each of these level look like. So for you to start at the campaign level, you will create. So once you click on create, then you can pick your campaign objectives like we said. Also, Meta has made it very easy for you. They have given you like text to explain what each of this level mean. You can learn more about each of these objectives. It has made it so easy for you to understand more what you are doing for your advertising. So if it's awareness, if it's traffic, if it's engagement, if it's leads, if it's for ad promotion, if it's for sales, you can all determine which of this objective is best for you. Let's say for example awareness, then you continue once you're done with that, and at this point you're just creating your ad campaign. So now you want to name your campaign. This part might look very simple, but it's quite important, because if you're going to be using the ad manager, you're going to be doing a lot of campaigns and you don't want to get confused at some point. So it is best to give your campaign a name, like a name that will be uniform across all of the process of creating the ad. So once you add your name, you come down and then you click next. So once you click in next, the same name that you use for the campaign, also now at the ad set level, you want to add that also, rename it. Then choose like your Facebook page, the page that you want to promote for this ad. Once you're done choosing that Facebook page, you also want to put in your budget and schedule your budget. So budget has been like a topic of discussion. What is the limit? How do I choose a budget for my product or for my ad? I would say that based on the price of your product, if you know you sell premium products, then you should know that your budget should be higher. And if you sell medium range price of products, then you can choose maybe between $7 or $5 to $7, depending on the price of your product. If you are selling premium products, you shouldn't go for a low budget in terms of your daily budget, because you want the algorithm to have enough to work with. So once you've done that, you will now set your start date. It's advisable to always set the date the day after at midnight time, and you can also set your end date. Then once you're done, now we move to the audience. Now you can create new audience, and once you create those audience, they become saved audience that you can use over and over again. So to create new audience, you can create custom audience or lookalike audience. So custom audience from scratch. Let's say for example, you've been in business, you have a website, people have been visiting your website, or you have like a customer list, or you have some app activity. All of these are sources for for Meta to create a custom audience for you. You can load all of that in. You can also read and check more details about it. Once you're done, then and you put in all of the requests that Meta needs, you can have lookalike audience. So for some people that have a specific list, or they've created some custom audiences, they can create lookalike audience just to increase or expand the percentage of the lookalike audience, or those are the specific kind of people that you want to reach. Also, you can now come down also to create your own audience, custom audience. You can create their location. You can also add their age, add their gender. You can also do some more detailed targeting. Let's say a particular interest, if they are interested in particular things. If let's say you have a particular product for women alone, let's say your product is for women alone, you can choose the interest and the behavior of people who buy those. So once you're done with all of that, then you save the audience. Now, as you are putting in all of the metrics and information for your audience, you will begin to see changes in the audience definition at this part of the dashboard. So here you want to make sure that you are not too specific and you're not too broad. So you want to make sure that you move to this green part of the audience definition. So like you want to be fairly specific and fairly broad. And also like the estimated daily results, and as you are doing all of this, your audience size will change. So you want to make sure that you at least hit a mark of like at least 1 million above for your audience size. And once you're done with that, you also come down here. You can either do advantage placements. That means you are telling Meta, you're telling the algorithm to place your ads on their platforms for you, or you can decide that no, you want to do manual placements. Now if you click on manual placement, you can decide the platforms yourself where you want your ad to show to those audiences. So some people might say, oh, I think Facebook and Instagram alone is good for me. Or some people might say, oh, my TA is only on Instagram or Facebook. So it all depends on the platform that you want your ad to show. You choose that. That also affects the audience definition. So once, let's say for example, you choose manual placement, you can also come down to see where all of the placement is going to be on. For example, we can see for Facebook placements, you can even check and uncheck if you think that some of these placements are not useful to you. And also for Instagram as well, all of the Instagram features, or all of the Instagram features that they have, you can place your ad there. You get? So that's one of the benefits of using Meta, because Meta gives you access to all of these their products where you can place your ad. Once you're done, you click on next, and now we move to the ad level, and this is where we are going to do all of our creative. This is where we are going to choose our assets. This is where we are going to tell the story of the product or the service that we offer the audience that we've chosen. Also remember to name it, consistent naming for this process. And once you're done, also choose the Facebook page that you want for this ad to be connected to. And also you choose the kind of format that you want. Is it going to be a single image or a video, or is it going to be a carousel? Like, how do you want to tell the story of the product and the service that you offer? Also, once you are done choosing the format, you now go to media. You can import the image or the video, or you can create your own video right on Meta, and it also shows you how you can do that as well. Then you move on to your primary text, what's your company about. Then you also move on to creating your headline. And once you create your headline is where like the copy, when you say copy that attracts, like your TA will identify with, this is where you choose the headline as well. Then you move down to create. So if you're going to be connecting your website to the ad, you can also choose your website. It is showing you where your headline will be displayed. You can also choose your website to connect it to your ad, just for people to know more about what you do. And so yes, this other part is where you now begin to preview. You expand to preview your ad to be sure that your ad placement is right. And one of the reasons why you need to expand is because all of the platforms that you chose for your ad to be shown are of different sizes. So it is always great to preview all of the platforms just to be sure that your ad is placed properly across all platforms. And once you're done with all of the process, you want to publish. Once you've published, your ad is going to be on the dashboard. You can see it and you can monitor all of it, and also it's going to be showing you all of the metrics as you go along. And if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off or turn it on at any time. And then the second thing again that you want to note again during this process is going to your billing. Your billing is where you can add your card details. This is where you can add your virtual card and all of that. So guys, what do you think about this process that I have explained? Were you able to follow along? If you have any questions or comments, please, I would like to know in the comment section below. We can learn from each other. Please like, share this video with another business owner that needs to leverage the Facebook ad platform. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.